before you cook with me, you have to go to my YouTube channel. All right, you just have to type Lourival Costa's Kitchen. All right, I'll be there with the video. Right, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right. So, all right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, today I'm gonna make a very simple dish. All right, and I'm sure everybody love it. All right, today I'm gonna make caprese mozzarella salad. All right, guys, delicious. All right, so that's what I need to do this dish. All right, I have here 1 cup of olives. I have half cup of fresh basil. I have 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I have 1 pound of fresh mozzarella. Right? I have 4 big tomatoes. Sorry. I have 1 red onion, big. All right, and I have here 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, just don't use the black pepper, right? And also, yes, that's it. And I have here some extra fresh basil for decoration. All right, guys. So let's start this. Got my tomato. Good. You don't have to cut the tomato thick. You don't have to do that. It's regular size. All right. Very good. All right. It's gonna be a big plate. Okay, guys, now it's time for the onions, for the red onions, right? Good. I'm cutting very thin, all right, but you guys can cut the way you like it, all right? All right, guys, now my tomato is ready. Alright, so let me put my red onions, right? So you place there. Do that. Right. Okay, and the fresh mozzarella. And I will do again with the fresh basil, red onions, and fresh mozzarella. And you keep going, all right? That here, keep going. Here we go. It's looking good. All right. Very good. Looking good. Looking good, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright. Hey, guys. Basically, this is almost done. Alright. What I have to do is just mix all these ingredients. Alright. Over here. And the black pepper and the salt. I'm gonna mix all these together. Alright. That will be right now. Okay, guys. Now it's time to mix the ingredient. All right, this is the olive oil, right? Balsamic vinegar, right? Salt, and black pepper. All right, guys, to give that good flavor. All right, so you can see, guys, the color and the flavor comes together. Right? So, all right, guys, I'm gonna mix up this, and the base is almost finished, and I will see you very shortly. All right? Hey guys, all right, very good. All right, hey guys, fire. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. All right. All right. Very good. Hey, guys. I'll let you know. All right. I'll let you know how it tastes. All right. So. All right. It's looking good. Looking good, guys. All right. So now what you do is. This is the dresser. Alright? So, alright, looking good. Very good, guys. Let you know, alright? Nice and crunchy. Alright? Wow, really smelled in my mouth, guys. The dresser, the mozzarella cheese, and the tomatoes and the onions. It's delicious, guys. You guys have to try this home, all right? And very simple, all right? Very good, guys. All right, guys. Have a good weekend, all right, guys? Love you all.